Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Tech Turtles. Today we are diving headfirst into a topic that's been making waves across the tech world, the metaverse. If you have ever dreamed of living in a virtual world where anything is possible, then stick around because we have got a lot to unpack. Now let's get started. So at first, we will understand what is metaverse. So, Metaverse is a collective virtual shared space that's made up of interconnected digital environments, allowing users to interact with each other and digital objects in real time. For example, it's like an internet, but in 3D. Now that we have a basic understanding, let's break down the key components that make up the metaverse. First one is virtual worlds. These are immersive digital environments where users can explore, create, and interact with each other. Avatars. Avatars are your digital alter egos in the metaverse. You can customize them to look like anything you want, and they represent you as you navigate through this digital realm. Third one is digital economy. Just like in the real world, the metaverse has its own economy. Virtual assets, land, and even experiences can be bought, sold, and traded using digital currencies. So next is, where is the metaverse headed? Which means the future of the metaverse. Experts believe that in the coming years, we will see a seamless integration of the physical and digital worlds. From augmented reality glasses to full body haptic suits, the way we interact with the metaverse will become more immersive and natural. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Until next time, keep exploring and don't forget to like and subscribe for more future focused content. Tag Turtles.